and welcome to another ACENji tutorial. Today we are going to show you how you can test your projects. So we have our Hello project here, but we want to test it. We want to see how it works. Well, you're going to need to download Care Steps. And if you go to Google Play Store, you can download the ACENji app, which might also be known as Care Steps. And if you are unable to download it on your phone, you can download the BlueStack emulator and then download Care Steps, and then you can run the app on your computer. You can see that you can join any meetings that you need to join. You can also take a look at your different projects and you can test them out. So we're going to go to Hello World, and this is what the app will look like on the phone. So we're just going to type our name. And you can also view your account and your tasks and any messages that someone has shown you. And you can also look at your menu.